Right, let me take you back to 2003. Lego, yes, those colorful little bricks you probably stepped on as a kid, was in serious trouble. I'm talking $800 million in debt. Kids were getting bored of building stuff, digital games were taking over, and Lego, well, they'd started making all sorts of odd products, from clothing lines to theme parks, and none of it was working. Enter Jörgen Vig Knudstorp, the new CEO with a name nearly as complex as Lego's situation. He made some tough calls. Out went the weird money-losing products. Back came the classic brick sets you could actually build with the heart and soul of Lego. But that wasn't all. He saw the future, and it was filled with lightsabers and magic wands. So, Lego partnered up with Star Wars, Harry Potter, and later on, even launched their own blockbuster films. Suddenly, Lego was everywhere on the big screen in video games and, of course, all over living room floors. And it worked. Profits didn't just recover, they skyrocketed. By 2015, Lego had overtaken Apple, Ferrari, even Google, to become the world's most powerful brand according to Brand Finance. Not bad for a company that was nearly finished just a decade earlier. Now Lego's not just a toy, it's a multi-generational empire. Parents build with their kids, films make us laugh, and there are even video games and TV shows. All because they remembered what made Lego special in the first place. Creativity, imagination, and, let's be honest, a little bit of pain if you're barefoot. So, next time you see those bricks, remember, you're holding a piece of the world's greatest comeback.